Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a uniform you wore at your school or work. You should say when you wore it, who bought it for you, what it looked like, and how you felt about it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Also, the follow-ups for this cue card will be uploaded very soon, so make sure you check that out. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Uniforms are crucial both at workplaces or educational institutions as they inculcate a sense of discipline as well as promotes equality amongst each other. And today I would like to speak about my attire at school. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So crucial means important. Educational institution is another way of saying school. It is a synonym for school. Inculcate means to facilitate or to promote. And equality means to treat everyone in the same way. Alright, so let's continue. My mother purchased my uniform when I was in 9th standard and I was wearing it till my 12th standard as I did not change much physically. Moreover, my school outfit comprised of a checked grey cotton t-shirt with the school logo imprinted on the top left chest pocket paired with black formal trousers and a navy blue tie. So as you all can see, we have used a lot of synonyms instead of repeating uniform again and again. We used attire, we have used outfit. So you can add all of these to your synonym list as well so that next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. So imprinted means that is printed on. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, on weekdays, all students were required to wear black formal shoes, while on weekends they were supposed to put on white athletic shoes. So, as you all can see, we have given a good description about how the uniform looked like. That is the third question, what it looked like. We have explained about the t shirt, we have explained about the pants, tie, and also about the footwear that we were supposed to wear. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, irrespective of the footwear style, white socks were mandatory to wear on all days. So, irrespective of the footwear style means whether you are wearing black formal shoes or you are wearing white athletic shoes, it doesn't matter. You are still required to wear plain white socks on all the days. That's what we are trying to say here. During winter season, scholars had the option to add a layer of grey sweater and navy blue blazers on top of the regular uniform. So instead of repeating the word students, we have used scholars. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, my academic institute was also quite stringent about wearing identity cards on all days, and if it was missing, students were sent back home. So, stringent means to be very strict about something. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions, which is when you wore it, who bought it for you, and what it looked like. The last question, which is how you felt about it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I felt over the moon about the concept of wearing uniforms at school as it helped in eliminating discrimination based on socio-economic backgrounds and facilitated a pure learning environment, thereby boosting the confidence and morale of students. So we have used an idiom here which is felt over the moon, which means to be extremely happy or pleased And using idiomatic phrases actually increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Eliminating means to remove, discrimination means differences or any kind of biasness. Socioeconomic backgrounds means maybe someone is rich and the other student is poor. And morale means spirit or enthusiasm. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.